Students, all of you take out your Go for Phonoscales book and open page number 1330. So we have learned three-letter words with the help of vowel A and with the help of vowel E. And today we are going to learn three-letter words with the help of vowel I. With the help of vowel I also we can make three-letter words. Now let's see what are those. The first one is tin. T-I-N, tin. The three-letter word is tin, and the sound of this three-letter word is T says ta, I says e, N says na. Ta, e, na. Tin. The second word is pin. P-I-N, pin. The three-letter word is pin, and the sound of this three-letter word is P says pa, I says e, N says na. Pa, e, na. Pin. The third one is bin. B-I-N, bin. The three-letter word is bin, and the sound of this three-letter word is B says ba, E says I says e, N says na. Ba, e, na. Bin. The next word is fin. F-I-N, fin. F says fa, I says e, N says na. Fa, e, na. Fin. Okay, now let's have a look on the next one is win. W-I-N, win. The three-letter word is win, and the sound of this three-letter word is W says wa, I says e, N says na. Win. Va, e, na. Win. The next word is lip. L-I-P, lip. The three-letter word is lip, and the sound of this three-letter word is L says la, I says e, P says pa. La, e, pa. Lip. The next one is hip. H-I-P, hip. The sound of this three-letter word is ha, e, pa. Hip. Ha, e, pa. Hip. The next one is pip. P-I-P, pip. The three-letter word is pip, and the sound of this three-letter word is P says pa, I says e, P says pa. Pa, e, pa. Pip. The next one is zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z says, Z says za, I says e, P says pa. Z says za, I says e, P says pa. Za, e, pa. Zip. Now let's have a look on some more words. Kit. The word is kit. K-I-T, kit, and the sound of this three-letter word is ka, e, ta. Kit. Ka, e, ta. Kit. The next one is pit. P-I-T, pit. P says pa, I says e, T says ta. Pa, e, ta. Pit. The next one is hit, and the sound of this three-letter word is ha, e, ta. Hit. Ha, e, ta. Hit. The next one is bit. Ba, e, ta. Bit. B says ba, I says e, T says ta. Ba, e, ta. Bit. The next one is fit. F says fa, I says e, T says ta. Fa, e, ta. Fit. The next one is fig. F-I-G, fig, and the sound of this three-letter word is F says fa, I says e, G says ga. Fa, e, ga. Fig. The next one is wig. Va, e, ga. Wig. The next one is jig. J-I-G, jig. Ja, e, ga. Jig. The next one is big. B-I-G, big. Ba, e, ga. Big. B says ba, I says e, G says ga. Ba, e, ga. Big. Now let's have a look on some more words. Some few more words. Here the word is kid. K-I-D, kid. The sound of this three-letter word is K says ka, I says e, D says da. Ka, e, da. Kid. The next one is Did, D-I-D, did. Da, I, da, did. The next one is hid. Ha, I, da, hid. Ha, I, da, hid. The next one is lid, L-I-D, lid, and the sound of this three-letter word is la, I, da, lid. Now let's revise one more time these words. T-I-N, tin, P-I-N, pin, B-I-N, bin, F-I-N, fin, W-I-N, win. L-I-P, lip, H-I-P, hip, P-I-P, pip, Z-I-P, zip, K-I-T, kit, P-I-T, pit, H-I-T, hit, B-I-T, bit, F-I-T, fit, F-I-G, fig, W-I-G, wig, J-I-G, jig, B-I-G, big, K-I-D, kid, D-I-D, did, H-I-D, head, L-I-D, lid. Now what you all have to do is you all have to revise these three-letter words with the help of its sounds. That's all for today.